In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your virtual meeting background to make your online presence both professional and personal. Whether it's to blur the distractions behind you or to add a fun, creative touch, these simple steps will help you refine your setup before joining a video call. First things first, you're on the pre-join screen, where you can preview your video and microphone settings. Here, it's crucial to make sure your camera is turned on. This lets you see any changes you make in real time and gives you a chance to adjust everything to your liking before the actual meeting starts. Once your camera is up and running, it's time to personalize your background. Look for an icon or link labeled something like background effects or video effects. You'll typically find this option just to the right of the camera or microphone toggles. Clicking on this will open up a panel on the right side of your screen, showing you a variety of options to choose from. Within this background effects pane, you have a few choices. If you're looking for an easy way to minimize visual distractions, you can select the blur option. This subtly blurs everything behind you, keeping the focus on you and ensuring any unintended clutter stays just that, in the background. Should you want to go a step further by customizing your background with an image, you can choose from the preset background images provided by the platform. These are often simple and professional, offering a quick way to personalize your meeting environment without much hassle. For those feeling a bit creative or wanting to showcase something personal, like a company logo or a beautiful landscape, you can upload your own image. To do this, click on the Add New button. You'll be prompted to select a file from your computer. Remember, your image should be in a compatible format, such as JPG, PNG, or BMP. Once you've chosen your file, apply it to see how it looks. As you play around with these backgrounds, you can preview how each option appears behind you. This is your chance to adjust the lighting or positioning to ensure everything looks just right. When you find a background that enhances your video call experience and reflects the tone you want to set, you're almost ready. With your chosen background displayed in the preview, all that's left to do is click Join Now. This final step takes you straight into the meeting, where your customized background is now part of your video. And there you have it. By completing these simple steps, you're ready to enter your meeting with a polished and personalized setup.